everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on lily flower. The lily is a beautiful and fragrant flower. It comes in many colors like white, pink, orange and yellow. Lilies grow in gardens, ponds and even forests. They have large petals that look soft and delicate. The white lily is a symbol of peace and purity. Some lilies, like the water lily, grow on water. Lilies bloom in the summer and make gardens look colorful. Bees and butterflies love lilies for their sweet nectar. They are often used in bouquets and decorations. Lilies are a gift from nature that makes the world more beautiful. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.